Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two of the biggest names in the prop trading world, Topstep and Apex Trader funding. If you've ever dreamed of trading professionally without risking your own capital, these platforms might be your getaway. We'll cover everything from the platform overviews, the key features, the pricing structures, the pros and cons, and finally, I'll help you figure out which one is the right one for you in 2025. And for those looking for alternatives, I've also got you covered at the end, so stick around. Now we start with Topstep. Topstep is a veteran in the futures prop trading world. Launched over a decade ago, it has funded over 10,000 traders and issued more than 81,000 payouts just in 2024. Their mission is simple but powerful. They help traders develop the discipline, the strategy, and mindsets that is required to succeed in professional trading. The centerpiece of their model is the Trading Combine, which is a structured evaluation process that tests your skills in a simulated environment. If you pass, you earn a funded account. What sets Topstep apart is their strong focus on trader development, including free daily coaching, educational content, and their proprietary trading platform called Topstep X. Now let's switch gears to Apex Trader funding. This is much newer but has exploded in popularity since its launch in 2021. Apex is known for its fast-track evaluation process, generous payout structures, and low-cost promotions. Their model allows traders to qualify for funding in as little as 7 days, with some of the most trader-friendly rules in the industry, like no daily drawdowns and high profit splits. While Topstep leans into structure and trader education, Apex offers flexibility and a path to quick funding. That distinction is key, and we will dig deeper into it now. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. We start with Topstep. The backbone of their offering, Trading Combine. Trading Combine is a two-step evaluation where you trade in a simulated environment that mirrors live future markets. In step 1, your goal is to hit a profit target while managing risk. Once you do, you move to step 2, which reinforces consistency and discipline over a longer period. It's not just about making money, it's about making smart decisions repeatedly. Then you've got their proprietary platform, Topstep X. This is a big deal. Topstep X gives you commission-free trades, real-time market data, charting tools powered by TradingView, and a risk management feature called the Tilt, which helps identify when your trading behavior is getting emotional or impulsive. That's huge for traders still working on mindset and control. You also get 4 payout opportunities per month. Yes, weekly payouts from your funded accounts. And if you're serious about learning and growth, Topstep shines with its free daily coaching, group strategy calls, an active Discord server, and Topstep TV for market insights. The educational and community aspect here is unmatched. They really invest in the long-term success of their traders. Now let's talk about Apex Trader funding. Their standout feature is speed and flexibility. Apex offers a one-step evaluation, which means you can technically qualify for funding in as little as 7 trading days. There's no daily drawdown, so if you had a bad day, you don't lose your account. This gives you breathing room to manage trades the way you want without the pressure of starting over. Where Apex really shines is in scalability. They allow you to trade up to 20 funded accounts simultaneously. That's massive if you've got a proven strategy and you want to multiply your returns. Plus, they support several platforms including NinjaTrader, Tradeovate, Rhythmic, and even TradingView, so you're not locked into just one setup. And for trading hours, you get 23 hours a day, 6 days a week, which is ideal for those who trade off hours or prefer overnight setups. You can trade a wide variety of CME features, and they're constantly adding new instruments. And let's not forget the profit split model. You keep 100% of your first $25,000 in profits and 90% after that. Few prop firms come close to that level of reward. Now let us talk about the pricing. Topstep pricing. The $50,000 accounts cost $49 per month, the $100,000 accounts cost $99 per month, and the $150,000 accounts cost $149 per month. All traders will pay a one-time activation fee of $149 per express funded account upon passing. And they frequently offer discount codes, so you have to keep an eye out. With Apex, the account sizes vary from $25,000 account to $300,000 account, and the fees range from between $137 to $687 per month, depending on the account sizes. Apex is also known for aggressive discounts, so sometimes they offer up to 90% off on evaluation fees. You can also manage multiple accounts, and this is a big advantage for scaling strategies. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using both platforms. The pros of Topstep: established reputation with a decade-long track record, highly structured environment which is great for developing consistent trading habits, commission-free trading with their Topstep X platform, free coaching, educational tools, and a strong community vibe. How about the pros for Apex Trader? It's one of the fastest ways to get funded. No daily drawdown, which makes it more forgiving for aggressive traders. And there's huge discounts on evaluations. There are flexible rules, generous profit splits, and multi-account capabilities. How about the cons? For Topstep, slower route to finding due to two-step process, and it only supports futures trading, not for forex or crypto fans. And Apex Trader, less educational support compared to Topstep. There's high reliance on promotions, which might feel inconsistent to some traders, and is not as structured, which could be overwhelming for beginners. So what's the verdict? Topstep or Apex Trader? If you are a beginner or someone who values coaching, community, and a well-defined path to professional trading, Topstep is probably your best bet. Their structured approach and proprietary platform are built to guide you toward long-term consistency. On the flip side though, if you're a confident trader who just wants fast access to capital, low restrictions, and high scalability, Apex Trader funding could be perfect. It's designed for speed, freedom, and maximizing your earnings with minimal interference. It's not about which platform is better, it's about which suits your trading personality. Do you thrive with structure, or do you excel with flexibility? And that's basically it on the review of Apex Trader and Topstep. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore YNAB, Pocket Guard, and Good Budget. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.